Throw sand, lime, and soda into a 2,000-degree Fahrenheit furnace, and you get liquid glass. Skilled glass blowers gather the molten mixture using hollow pipes. And when they blow, glass inflates to form a bubble to shape and sculpt. The tools and techniques date back to Roman times, but we're about to turn up the heat. We've built North America's biggest hot shop, where 10 exceptional artists push themselves to creative extremes.
Sure you want to do this?
Yes. Something will melt, something will drop off, something will break every single second.
And with great risk,
Oh my God!
comes great reward. If they can survive our fiery competition, they'll win a life-changing prize package that will establish them around the globe as best in glass. I'm Nick Uhas, and you're about to be
Blown away, Wednesdays at 9 on Makeful. Our TV channel is now in free preview.